Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the SQL codings in LeetCode uh, classes with at least 5 students. Here they given the table name courses, column name student class, and we need to write a solution to find all the classes that have at least 5 students. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. Now example 1, input courses table students in class, and output should be class. Okay, so first let's clearly understand what the question is asking. So we are given a table called courses where each row tells us which student is enrolled in which class. The important detail is that the combination of students class is unique, meaning a student cannot appear twice in the same class. Now, the task is to find all those classes that have at least 5 students enrolled. So essentially, we need to count how many students are in each class and then return only those classes where the count is 5 or more. Now, let's move step by step and connect the solution directly with what the question is asking. Okay, so uh, select class. Here we are selecting the class column because the question asks us to return the names of the classes that satisfy the condition. We are not interested in the student names in the final output, only the class names from courses. This tells SQL that our data is coming from the courses table, which is exactly the table given in the problem. Now comes the most important part, group by class. Why do we use this? Because the question requires us to count the number of students in each class. To do that, we need to group all rows belonging to the same class together. So this line groups all records by class, meaning each class will now act as one group. Then having count student greater than equal to 5. This is where we apply the actual condition from the question. After grouping, we count how many students are in each class using count student. The question clearly says we only want classes with at least 5 students. So we filter those groups using having count students greater than equal to 5. We use having instead of where because we are filtering after aggregation, after grouping and counting. Now let's run this query. So as you can see, this query works exactly according to the requirement. It groups students by class, counts them, and returns only those classes where the count is 5 or more. Thank you.